Good morning. Would everyone please stand and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you. You may be seated.
Good morning. My name is Emma Gray, and it is my pleasure to welcome everyone to Blue Mountain Union School Annual Memorial Day Assembly. Memorial Day is an American holiday observed on the last Monday of May, honoring the men and women who died while serving in the U.S. military. Originally known as Decoration Day, it originated in the years following the Civil War and became an official federal holiday in 1971. In May 1868, General John A. Logan, the commander-in-chief of the Union's veterans group, known as the Grand Army of the Republic, issued a decree that May 30th should become a nationwide day to remember the more than 620,000 soldiers killed in this U.S. Civil War. On Decoration Day, as Logan dubbed it, Americans should lay flowers and decorate the graves of the war dead, whose bodies now lie in almost every city, village, and hamlet churchyard in the land. According to legend, Logan chose May 30th because it was a rare day that didn't fall on an anniversary of a Civil War battle. Though some historians believe the date was selected to ensure that flowers across the country would be in full bloom. Thank you for coming together for today's annual celebration. We hope you enjoy our program.
All right. Now, next up is my parents, Nancy and Chris Auger.
Yes.
Good morning, BMU. Just to give you a little background, I am a proud BMU alumni. I graduated in 1995, and after going to college for a bit and also working locally, I enlisted in the United States Air Force. I met my wife, Nancy, at my first duty station in Oklahoma, and we got married. We lived in Germany, Washington, Delaware, Turkey, and North Dakota. At that point, we both retired and moved back here to my hometown. A fun fact about being a military family is that Jackson went to the same elementary school that his mom went in Turkey, and now both Jackson and Logan go to the same school as their dad. Between Nancy and I, our families are rich in military service. We and our children are fortunate that observing Memorial Day has not hit real close to home, but as a military family, we'd like to stress the importance of recognizing the sacrifices paid by many others.
So officially, Memorial Day is considered the start of summer. There's no school, the post office is closed, barbecues, trips to start vacation, great sales, you can go shopping, but really Memorial Day is meant to honor those men and women who lost their lives while serving in the armed forces. This is different from Veterans Day, which celebrates anyone who served at any time. So don't thank a veteran for their service on Memorial Day. Military members are routinely asked to perform tasks and respond to things that ordinary members of the civilian population would never be asked to. This is called the unlimited liability clause, that there's no limit to the sacrifices that military personnel can legitimately be ordered to make in the service of others. Memorial Day is all about remembering the folks that paid that price. The National Moment of Remembrance is on Monday at 3 p.m. So no matter where you are or what you're doing, they ask that you stop what you're doing for 1 full minute and just think about those members that paid that ultimate sacrifice. Thank you so much.
BMU, I will begin my service to this country as a member of the U.S. Army Reserve, as General Douglas MacArthur once said, no man is entitled to the blessings of freedom unless he be vigilant in its preservation. On Monday, May 31st, Americans across the country remember the brave men and women who gave their lives for our country. Whether you plan to observe the holiday, attending a parade, through some type of community service, or with your family and friends at a barbecue, I ask that you take a moment and think about and honor the brave men and women who gave their lives for our country. Thank you to our guest speakers today, to all those who participated in today's annual celebration, and to all of you. We end today's ceremony with BMU Junior Ethan Gilding playing taps, a bugle melody played at U.S. military funerals, at memorial celebration, and as lights out signal to soldiers at night, which dates back to the American Civil War.
Mm-hmm.